Hi, good morning everyone. Song Ting Bunga here, back with another new video. We are going out today, so it's a picnic. Let's go and have fun. Stay with me, enjoy and have fun. I'll show you everything, right? Without any further ado, let's go. Oh, hey, hi everyone. Let's go. Woo! Hey, say hi, everyone. Hi, hi, lên nè mơ. So we are here with the glass kitten. We are about to move. See. Tell your tribe.
My name is Eko and I belong to Langmai community.
Leng me.
And this is Maram. And this is my best.
My name is Sing Beaver. I'm from Wilong.
Okay.
Oh, I want to
Hey. And
This is me and this is John.
I was about to say that. Where did you learn that? Okay, let's go. So we have started our journey. Go. It's amazing. Which village is that one? Kohima. Oh. Tehi Nagaland thawon khai la che. Woo! So shout, who can shout louder? Let's see. Oh! Who is that? It's you! Wow. Hello everyone. This place is called Ziiduri, Senapati district. So it's a beautiful place, and here we are. See, check out the view. mayam sida Ziiduri kauwe haye mafamdo ko mamingdo. Oh, okay, Paumi village. Hojik view check to sen jaldi hai. Flag khale. We are all having fun today. We can see Netherlands from here. Ah, ah, ah. How is ladies doing back there? Hey, ladies!
Ladies and Bakong.
Similar. Hi. Hi, ladies. Say hi. Hi. Woohoo! It's amazing! This is indeed a very good place. It's a very beautiful place. The view is amazing. See? It's very steep. Ah, yeah. Woo! Oh, still a long way to go. Wow. Mà rầm thành thớt thay những này lê. Hôm nay được cứ nó bị rai cái tăng hoa tăng này nó Ziiduri. Mà lạc sida mà phong sida visit đầu rồi bơ. Dạo ra. Tổ mà phong sẽ không đi. Nên sinh bơ. Ôi na. So let's go up there. Let's check it out. Oh, very high. The footpath just keep on going, never ends. Hi, hello.
Hello.
How are you from?
Thank you for calling.
How are you from?
I'm from good.
Okay, thank you. Hey, hey, hi, hi. Oi, you are stealing fireworks. So how is the place so far?
This is okay. Let me introduce first.
Is this the first time you visit here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what about you?
And this is not me.
We are all having fun. It's a very beautiful place. Everyone is enjoying taking photos and talking. So, nang giming katay ta gira hay piramo. Nang giming. Peter. Okay, to ga sinapati ta gi. Okay. Yam nungai re. Banaba. Channel da lakani nang check to ning di yang bio hore. Song thing ga na yin di ga. YouTube ta se song thing nung har in chat pa ni. Yam nungai re. To enjoy to. Okay, let's go everyone. Ai Rex.
Quên nhá.
Chỉ đang hôm nào là giật lên là khi nào ta 너희들 그따위들이 라구나. 에코이 뭐람 너기네. 얌 농아이 거너시 빨리 사이. Enjoy the 얌 농아이 네 라인 오잖아 이제. Enjoy the.当会老 dress place I wanted to do this out of my hometown just once, you know. So, aksi pengakai na. Udah, masa dah. Hmm. Ketong hakarin ya. Isi picnic ra laga trekking je laga hila aching ni hi lui tra lai da lai la jin karim jang pai ne hi da hi thau lo discuss sa da ni. We are having a very good time, fun time. The view is amazing. We are going back to the kitchen and let's see what are the things that we are going to do. So stay with us. Let's enjoy, have fun. All right. Watch till the end. Okay. Tang hunau ping isi tang hunau chung zat le hi. Ala tang hunau ne. Sau đuổi này nè, trên này thì west đuổi này isi đã được chặt đấy, tên em nó trăng đấy, trên là isi Dbhss secondary đuổi này nè, mà làm Dbhss secondary, isi outing shop này, class 12 science basi linh yêu là cái, so we are having a good time. Let's go and see. Ziiduri hỏi à, bấm hi nó rất đặc lấy. Tình phát là cái bên này nó thùng nào đó cái gì cái ra cơ visit sao nữa
Creating.
cái thằng lên mình phát lên để sắp bên gì
Có mình phải có thằng nó khác bao gì bằng cái này.
à bên này chỉ bạn là phát phát cái này thì miếng ngay xuống này
Cái gì săn này thì cũng này.
ok xuống này tình phát này thì và à bên ta lấy này ra cái ta là word say
Cháu là dùng những cái đấy chúng ta có dùng những cái biển số này nhé.
Ok và thế là so kitchen department they have started working. They started cooking, I guess. So let's go and find it out. What are the things that we're making? Okay. So have fun, guys. Yeah. Hatu jadi outside này. Tăng nào nó rung nó lên tăng nào sốt lát đi. So breakfast and then potato department ginger. Yes. No. There mention your tribe please. Okay, Tongwei. Rongwei. And then yours? Kerala. Yes. And then? Unique. Yeah, it's you. Okay. And yours? Oh, so there are so many tangles today. And one from South Indian. Kerala. South India. Yes. Oh, not South India, South India, yeah. So here is where we are cooking. This is the class captain. Here's the class captain. Okay, Pome.
Only one Puma here.
Oh, only one Pome here. Okay.
I'm from China.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, manager of today's picnic. And what are you making? Where are you from? Spoon. Okay, where are you from? Maram. All right. And here is one group. One is Tangku, and the next one, please. Maram. Pome. Okay. Your class captain just said that there is only one Pome here, but another edition is there. So what is this? What are you cooking?
Just putting the water.
Okay, water looks very clean. And
There is
Maram Nepali.
Maram Nepali. And where are you from exactly?
Me
Yeah.
from Kamjong.
Kamjong. Oh, so many dangus. Hello, ladies. How are you doing? Are you having fun? Woo.
Say yes, no? Yes. Say yes, sir.
So, here's our fish.
Wait, Jay, some boys, let's start cutting this out.
Choo, choo, choo. Choo, 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 choo. 这些爸爸一起去哪里的？
去 Kamjong when they.
Kamjong, yes. Kang hôm nào này Kamjong ấy này vì previous lovely thế đấy. Kamjong khá là gì? Acha là main cũng sao đấy. À, sao mà cái sai liền đấy là những cái test đi. Kamjong này cũng kì. It's dinner time.
Don't talk.
Salad, sinju, chicken, fish, chutney, everything is here.
Càng ai quay vào.
Mainly. Let's see your plate.
I'm the lucky one with leg.
Wow.
Lucky, lucky. So, before the only 9 left. So you
Okay, I want you to taste the chicken and tell me, give the feedback for the sake of those who are cooking. Very tasty. Alright. Okay, enjoy. Mm. Oh, hey, 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 hey.
I
Hey,
just see
hey. One second.
Hey.
For the last time, let's check out the evening view of Ziiduri Mountain. This really amazing and beautiful we have spent here today. Hello guys. So we had a great day. I hope you enjoyed the video as well. Yes, I was expecting a lot of activity, entertainment. But since it is very far from where we stay, we couldn't do much. So we came here. We enjoyed the beautiful view of Ziiduri mountain, and we had a good dinner. And yes, we had a very good, uh, quality time as well, interacting with students, and we come closer. And I hope and I believe that we will be having this family spirit for a very, very long time. So this video is specially dedicated to Don Bosco Higher Secondary Science, 12 science students. So all the best, guys, in your board exam as well. So this is all for you, and thank you for this beautiful day as well. And I want to say thank you for watching till the end to each and every one of you, for all your love and for all your support. We have, if you didn't subscribe to the channel yet, please do hit the button subscribe, and let's travel together or all the way. So thank you everyone so much. So now we'll be heading home. So see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.